Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hori Hori Garden Tool is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools a gardener can have in their arsenal, seamlessly blending the functions of a trowel, knife, saw, and measuring device into one robust implement, making it an absolute game-changer for tasks ranging from planting and weeding to soil aeration and even harvesting. Number 5. NISAKU NJP 650 Original Hori Hori Weeding Knife. Introducing the NISAKU NJP 650, the original Hori Hori weeding knife. Crafted in Japan with premium stainless steel, it's your ultimate gardening companion. This tool features both serrated and straight cutting edges for versatile cutting, digging, and weeding. It handles various soil conditions with ease. With convenient inch markings on the blade, you can ensure your plants and bulbs are planted at the perfect depth every time. The comfortable 5.25-inch wooden handle provides a secure grip and excellent control, even during extended use. When not in use, it hangs neatly on your peg rack, keeping your shed or workbench tidy. Made with the finest stainless steel, this durable tool is perfect for gardening, landscaping, and even camping adventures. What we like? This tool is crafted in Japan with premium stainless steel. It features both serrated and straight edges for versatile cutting and digging. If you are looking for a reliable, authentic Japanese gardening tool with precise depth measurements for planting, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The serrated edge is sharp and cuts through roots and sod easily. The trowel is deep and wide, making it great for digging and scooping. The measurement markings on the blade are accurate and helpful for planting depth. Number 4. Black Iron Hori Hori Garden Knife. Elevate your gardening experience with this exceptional tool. It features a beveled edge for slicing and a serrated edge for cutting tough roots, all designed for a comfortable and secure grip. Tackle a wide range of gardening tasks with ease, from cutting and digging to weeding and planting. Its 7-inch stainless steel blade is rust-resistant and built to handle any garden job. Planting seeds and bulbs has never been simpler. This tool includes easy-to-read depth measurements in both millimeters and inches, ensuring precise placement every time. Enjoy incredible grip and comfort with its sturdy hardwood handle. For safety and blade protection, it comes with a sleek, heavy-duty leather sheath. Built to last with a high-grade stainless steel blade and full tang construction for superb strength. Keep it in top condition with the included sharpening stone. Order yours today. What we like? This knife is designed for durability and multi-purpose use, featuring a beveled edge for slicing and a serrated edge for tough roots. If you appreciate having all your essential gardening tools in one package, including a protective sheath and sharpening stone for long-term maintenance, this is the one for you. What people say. It is made incredibly well, and it is insanely multi-purpose. If you only could have one item for pruning, repotting, digging up, and cutting down your plants, this would be the one. Very good look and feel, super sharp on both edges, well made with a full tang. Sheath is very thick leather and well built. It sliced and sawed through roots of all sizes, dug out the dirt, and made digging up that stump easier than if I had used a saw, trowel and shovel instead of just this blade and a shovel. Number 3. Hori Hori Knife, Stainless Steel Gardening Tool. Introducing the Hori Hori Knife, your all-in-one solution for a variety of gardening tasks. From digging and planting to cutting and weeding, this tool does it all. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, its rust-proof blade ensures durability. The full tang handle, secured by 3 metal rivets, provides a stable and long-lasting grip. Work with confidence thanks to the integrated handguard. It's designed to prevent hand slippage, ensuring your safety while you tend to your garden. Keep your tools safe and accessible with the included thick leather sheath. It offers secure storage and a convenient belt attachment for easy carrying. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy a worry-free 3-year warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like? Built for reliability with a rust-proof stainless steel blade and a full tang for stability. If safety is your top priority, its protective handguard prevents slippage, and the included leather sheath ensures safe storage. This is ideal for gardeners who want peace of mind with a solid warranty. What people say. Has great cutting ability, seems very sharp and thick enough to work on good-sized plants. The blade is incredibly sturdy and sharp, making light work of cutting through tough soil and roots. It's versatile enough for precise weeding yet durable for heavier tasks like digging and transplanting. The measurements on the blade are an added bonus, making it convenient for spacing plants accurately while gardening. The comfortable wooden handle provides a solid grip, allowing for extended use without causing discomfort. Number 2. Gonicc Professional Hori Hori Garden Knife. Introducing the Gonicc Professional Hori Hori Garden Knife, your ultimate gardening companion. Experience unparalleled versatility and durability in every task. Crafted with a high-polished 440 stainless steel blade, it's rust-proof, break-resistant, and built for years of reliable use. This tool is designed to withstand the toughest gardening challenges. Easily measure digging depth with the marked scale and tackle tough roots with its dual straight and serrated edges. It cuts through soil and roots with remarkable ease. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its 5-inch hardwood handle, designed for extended use. The full tang construction ensures stability and durability, making gardening a pleasure. Garden with confidence thanks to the protective handguard that prevents slips. Store it securely and conveniently with the included leather sheath or the built-in hang hole. Keep your tool in peak condition with the included sharpening stone. Ensure a sharp edge for every gardening task, maintaining its cutting efficiency. What we like? This professional-grade tool boasts a high-polished 440 stainless steel blade that is both rust-proof and break-resistant. If you need a robust tool with a comfortable grip and safety features like a handguard, this is a great option for tackling various gardening tasks with ease. What people say. It's easier to break through with the serrated edge. The leather sheath is top quality. This is a tool that will last for years and has a good iron quality. Saw edge is convenient. Looks rugged and capable. It is a heavy, formidable blade that will serve many purposes while gardening. Number 1. Barebones Hori Hori Ultimate Garden Knife. Introducing the Barebones Hori Hori Ultimate, your new go-to for all gardening tasks. Its robust construction and thoughtful design make it an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Crafted with a heat-treated, double-edged stainless steel blade, this tool is built to last. The through-tang design ensures maximum durability, so you can tackle any job with confidence. Experience superior comfort with its smooth, durable walnut handle. Designed for both left and right-handed users, it provides a secure and comfortable grip for extended use. Effortlessly measure planting depth with the convenient 1-inch markings on the blade. Plus, it doubles as a twine cutter and bottle opener for added convenience. From weeding and planting to camping and bushcrafting, this multi-purpose tool is ready for anything. Its flat pommel base even allows you to pound intense stakes. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the gardener in your life? This exceptional tool is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their gardening supplies. What we like? This knife is designed for ultimate versatility, featuring a durable double-edged tempered steel blade and a comfortable walnut handle suitable for both left and right-handed users. If you enjoy multifunctional tools that go beyond gardening, like a twine cutter and bottle opener, this is a unique and practical choice. What people say. The serrated edge is sharp and cuts through roots and sawed easily. The trowel is deep and wide, making it great for digging and transplanting. The measurement markings on the blade are accurate and helpful for planting depth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.